Hey everyone, this is Mike Lotsnice with WadeLife Fishing Adventures, and today we're wrapping up Operation Small Jaw, our smallmouth bass fishing trip to Tennessee, with maybe our best day of the whole trip. The final day, we finally got some cloud cover, we got a little rain overnight, freshened up the bite. Let's see how we do out there on a wading trip. It was so much fun. Thanks again for Trey with FishSmack and Chris with WadeLife for being great hosts and helping me have a great time out on the water.
Good morning. I wanna lodge a complaint. There's a little gill. Yep. Hey, now if it was like yesterday, they don't get smaller. They went from this size to downgrading. So it was pretty funny. Yeah, that's not really a challenge fish, that's a downgrade. Oh, got one. Oh, and it ain't a little smallie. There you go. Ooh, this is better. Not a huge one, but good one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, not quite. 10, 12. You got a blue heron about 50 yards in front of you.
Around the bushes?
Yeah, he's under that, behind that tree that's overhanging and
Oh, okay.
past.
I'm like, what blue heron?
Yeah, he's right over there behind those trees.
Chris, when there was an eagle sitting right over us yesterday. He didn't even fly. He just
Yeah.
sat there. I seen him. He did fly. He was in front of me. He flew into a tree, and I didn't see him after that. Okay. Yeah, he was just sitting like, when we went past him, he didn't even move. He
Beautiful
just
fish.
staring at us the whole time.
Yeah. Keep fishing straight.
There's a stream or a brook
Is there? Oh! Ah! I missed another one.
that's a good area right there. It looks like a little deep pocket and a lot of shade.
Well, there's a current little seam here. Coming right under this tree. There we go. Ooh! Whoa!
Nice.
That's a better fish. There we go.
Nice.
It was a little bit longer than the other one. All of a sudden.
I was saying, they're coming alive.
Yeah. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
I'm sorry, I what the heck?
Beautiful fish. That guy swiped the crap out of it. Oh. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah. You might want to. I don't know. Well, now I know why they weren't down where we entered this. They're pretty fish. They're so pumped up, they're ready to go back. Get some more. Yeah. Ooh! Oh! Oh, what is, oh, that's just, oh, one of those dark ones. Dang it. Yeah. That was a decent sized little dark one too. It was one of those dark smallies. Dang, you pushed that heron up again. He's just gonna go to the other end of this little... Yeah, I see that. You think if I put it... Oh, here we go. I got one. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a better fish. Wow. Probably. Man, he annihilated it. Good call. Annihilated it. He's pretty dark, actually. He's pretty dark. Thank you. Well, thank you. Ah! That's number 2. Not the big one led the pack, yeah. Yeah. Woo! There's another one. Whee! I'm not changing. I'll tell you that. Another pretty one. Beautiful. There you go. Woo! Another decent one. Pretty fish. Oh! Yep. Ah! Came off. They're right here. Look, there's a stick driven in up here above you. Hey, look at this. Is this about a cow? Yeah. Probably. That's pretty cool. Temperature's different. There's a creek up here or something. Oh, there we go. Decent one. Woo! Good one. Beautiful fish. Oh! Whoa! Another. And they're just coming alive. Oh! There's one. I wonder if that cloud cover really is. The fish are so much different in size that are biting. Pretty fish. Oh, there we go. He's one fast little fish. I couldn't even catch up to him for a second.
Hey guys, here's the fishing joke of the day. A man was out sports fishing off the coast of Florida. his boat capsized and he was scared to death of being attacked by gators. So he was climbing up on the capsized boat trying to get himself out of the water, feared of gators. And he came upon a local. And the local came up and he said, "Hey, I'm really worried about gators." And the local said, "Hey, you don't have to worry about gators. We haven't had them around here for years." And the guy who was clinging for his life said, "How did you get rid of the gators?" "The sharks got him." That's the reaction.
It is good. It's not good, it's good. Spunky. He gets an A+ for effort. There one. I hear you, blue heron. Rat, rat, rat. Woo! Atta boy! Tree! Hey, it's a working model. And they're good fish. Nice. That's a solid one. Oh, there we go. Better fish. Oh yeah, good one. Solid fish. All right.
Very solid.
Come on. Sweet. Beautiful. Yes. Woo! Got one. Oh, there we go. Doubles.
Double up. Oh.
Oh, man. You had a better one than I did.
Well, we were doubled up.
Yep. Oh, there we go. Woo! Good one. Yeah. Oh. Yep. Boom. Well, that didn't take long.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching this. Please support the channels that were part of this Operation Small Jaw adventure, from Larry from Show Me Creeks to Chris with WadeLife, Trey with FishSmack, and Reece Life, Dad Life, and Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Subscribe if you haven't yet to all those channels. Like this video and drop us a comment because we love hearing from you. Thanks for watching again, and check out the videos that are tagged here at the end that will show you part 1 and part 2 of this Operation Small Jaw adventure. We had a great time in Tennessee, and we hope to see you out on the water next time.